Welding produces smoke with dangerous metal fumes. Although the word fume is often used as a synonym for liquid vapor, a fume is actually given off when heating aluminum, copper, iron, lead, or other metals. Exposure to welding fumes may cause eye, nose, and throat irritation, as well as dizziness and nausea. Workers who experience these symptoms should leave the area immediately, seek fresh air, and get medical attention. Factors that affect worker exposure to welding fumes include the type of welding, the metal being worked on, air movement or ventilation, and other factors. Employers should take steps to reduce worker exposure to welding fumes. Provide training so welders understand the hazards of the materials they use. This might include hazard communication training. In addition, train workers to clean the surface before welding and remove anything that might create toxic gases, like solvent residue or paint. Also, train workers to position themselves to avoid the fumes, like staying upwind when welding outdoors. When indoors, use ventilation to reduce fumes in the work area. In areas without ventilation, use natural drafts and positioning to keep fumes away from welders and other workers. If needed, provide local exhaust ventilation systems to remove fumes from the welder's breathing zone. And keep exhaust ports away from other workers. If work practices and ventilation do not reduce exposures to safe levels, you may need to provide respiratory protection.